If you've been losing more than you've been winning in your binary options account, then this video is specifically for you. In this video, I am going to show you how to use a strategy and a money manager tool to effectively change the trajectory of your binary options account. My goal is to help you how to win daily. This is not get rich quick. This is a simple but effective strategy and tool combined to make sure that your account grows. You do not want to miss any of this video. You have got to watch this video all the way to the end. I am going to show you the indicators, and I'm going to show you a tool that if you come over to my Telegram group and join in on the conversation, I have over 1,600 people in that group who are there to help you. It is a free group. Let's hop into the video. This video is going to be quick, short, sweet, and you are going to learn how to grow your account instead of losing. Let's go. Let's start with the Ultimate Money Manager because this is the key to growing your account. All right. What we're going to do first, we are going to enter in the Let's Begin category. Let's Begin means what is your balance? 243.80 is my balance right here. I am going to try to win 1 of 6, and I'm going to use payouts of 92%. So I'm going to find charts that only have 92% payouts. You can change this to whatever you want, okay? But in this specific video and in this specific growth, I'm going to show you that you only need to win 1 of 6 to be profitable for the day. My goal is to earn just over 1%. So I'm going to bet $3.25, which is 1.33%. But it is going to be at a 92% payout, so it's going to pay out around $2.99, which is 92%, which is about a 1.23% growth. If you do this same specific step by step, if you do this 100 times, this is what's going to happen to your account. 243.80. My goal is to double monthly. I want to double my account monthly. So 243 is going to turn into 487. Then 975, and then 1950. Look at this. After 3 months, you're earning 975 monthly. Now, you are going to take out your initial starting capital along the way. So over these 3 months, if you double, take out 100. If you double again, take out the 150. You've got all your money back. You're playing with house money. Now grow that account and continue this exact same setup. The goal here is to earn a measly 1 and a little bit percent daily, and you're going to do that 100 times. You could do this 5 times in a day, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, whatever you want to do. You will continually do this. You're going to win 1 of 6, reset. 1 of 6, reset. That's all you got to do. Keep it simple. Let's grow the account. Let's get started. Let's go to the charts now. Here we go. All right. So the only before we go there though, the only thing you're going to change are these white boxes. Do not touch these boxes right here, and do not touch these boxes right here. All we're going to do is change stop losses at 10%. When this gets to 10%, it's going to light up red, and I'm done for the day. I'm going to move on, and we're going to come back another day because we're just not looking at the charts. Our mindset's not right, whatever the case may be. So I'm going to win 1 of 6. It's going to be an easy 1.23%. Let's get to it. If there's losses, that's fine. This is going to show you how this works, but let's get to it. Let's find the right trade with the right chart. Take your time, be patient. You got to be patient. All right, here we go. So we are currently on and using PO, Pocket Options. Been around for like 8 years. It's great. It pays out. Charts are great. Lots of different trading, commodity stocks, cryptocurrencies, whatever you want to do. I'm using Forex, OTC. Most of my videos are OTC. You can use live, sure you can, but I'm using for the most part OTC. So how do I have this set up? Well, I'm using a computer, but you can do this on your mobile. On the computer, I have 2 screens set up. This is currently the exact same charts. It's just that this is showing a 3-minute candle, and this side is showing a 30-second candle. Now, let's bring in the indicators because everybody wants to know what the indicators are. So let's just get that out of the way so that we can keep moving forward. 3 moving averages, the Bollinger Bands, and the Stochastic Oscillator. 2 SMA is set at white. 5 SMA is my blue line. 100 SMA is the red line. So here we have here, if you look, this is the 100 This is the 2 and this is the 5. I'll talk about how the strategy works in a second. Bollinger Bands, I have it set to 20 and 2. The top and the bottom I've set to the exact same color. The background I changed to white with a little bit of little less opacity, and I've gotten rid of the middle lines because I'm using the Bollinger Bands. So I'm using the moving averages. So what you want to do is you want to see where you are in the trend outside or inside the blue line, and then where is the stochastic oscillator in relation to that, all right? And so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna hide this. Now let's get to it. What is this strategy? There's a couple ways to do this, and I have lots of videos on trading with the trend or reversal, whatever the case may be, but you're gonna wanna watch this video right here, where this talks about how the money manager works. You're gonna wanna watch this video right here, which will show you some reversals with this exact same strategy, or this video right here, or this video right here. All of these videos are gonna show you how the strategy works and give you different insights and tips and tricks on how you can utilize this strategy. So please watch all of those videos and use your demo account first so you can practice. All right, let's go ahead and find a chart. Ultimately, I'm using this side. I'm not trading with the side, hence why there's no trading option on this side. I'm trading on the 30-second candle side. All we're trying to do is we're just trying to find charts that are either going to be inside or outside of the stochastic or the Bollinger, and we're going to use either reversals, so that's a good way to catch it, or we're going to trade with the trend where we're going to bounce off the 100 and head back down. So let's go and find some options where we can get in, and I can show you what that looks like. So I'm going to use the 30-second chart to find out some, sort of where we're at in that chart. So we're using a 30-second candle to see where we're at. And while I cycle through these, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for either we are close to the red on a downward or upward, or we are really below or outside the Bollinger Bands, or really high and outside the Bollinger Bands, so we can catch a reversal. So this one right here, for instance, Euro USD. So let's go to Euro USD. And so what this shows us right here is that we are really high. Look at, we are outside of the Bollinger Bands. We have this big push up here with green. We are almost outside the Bollinger Bands here. And let's see where we are on the charts here. We are almost touching here. Here we are at our resistance. This one was a little bit high, but let's go ahead. We are way over here. We're way over, we're coming back down. Now, what we're looking for here is the white to cross the blue. And it did. We had a doji here. So this trade, let's trade this on a 1-minute sell. And why we're doing that is both of these charts, the 30-second candle and the 3-minute candle charts, both were showing that they were overbought. So they were touching or over and above the 85. And then on the 3-minute, we were outside the Bollinger Bands, which shows that, buyers, we are way outside and this should be on its way down. But again, this is trading. So all we're going to try and do is use these confirmations as aid to give us information to make these trades. And if it doesn't pan out like we're seeing right here, that's fine, because we have the ultimate money manager to give us a hand in making sure that we are going to stay on target with our how much we're going to win today, and then we can get our just over 1%. So let's go ahead and see this. So we're at 10 seconds, 8. Now this looks like this is going to be a loss, 4, 3. Yep. So what we're going to do, that's fine. That's a loss. And we're going to put a loss right here. Now our next trade is $6.78. So we are going to enter 6.78. And we may have gotten in this a little bit too soon. So let's see where we're at here. We are way outside the Bollinger, and we're getting ready to touch the top of the Bollinger. And so we got a big wick pull down here. Okay, we're going to take this for a sell. Again, way outside the Bollinger on the 3-minute. And like I said here, we were way at the top of the chart. If we go over here, this is our resistant line here that we have crossed. So we are way above the latest resistance. So we have 40 seconds left on that one. The stochastic oscillator was already making its way down, but we had this huge split with the blue from the orange. So again, another confirmation. We have the white line, which is the 2 SMA over top of the 5, confirmation. Like I said, we use this chart here as a way to see where were we in the grand scheme of things of the chart. And if you really wanted to, you could take this to a higher time frame as well, like a 15-minute, and see, okay, what does this look like? You can draw in things like a horizontal line so that you can see, okay, history-wise, this was way back here. 3, 2, 1, and there's our win. There's our percentage for the day. So let me just walk through this real quick. So we have put in a resistance line, which you can see here, that it hit, it hit, it hit. And then right here, look at this green, it hit and then sucked it back down. Same thing right here, almost hit, but came back down. So that is a great way for you to confirm and see where you are at in the trend. Make sure you change that back to 3 so you can get an idea of where you're at. But yeah, you can see that this line here would have been the top of the resistance, and then so it came back down. So let's bring over the Ultimate Money Manager, and we put in a win here, and that's it. Our level count is complete. We won this. So that is it. We are going to do this 100 times. You might do this 3 more times today, 4 more times today. You might do it 7 times tomorrow, 3 times the next day, skip a date, whatever it is. But this is how you double your account. We want to earn 100% monthly. That's my goal. So 243.80. I just made my 1%. I have to do that 2, 3, 4 more times today. Maybe I might get it done in 10 days, maybe 20 days, but my goal is to double monthly. And so is yours with tools like this. Can you win 1 out of 6? Can you? Yeah, you can. We all do it. So don't be afraid to change the denomination of your dollar amount to recapture your losses. We are not using martingale, and we are not revenge trading. We are sticking to our principles when it comes to what are we looking for in the chart. And then we're using a money manager to organize the funds for us so we don't have to, so that we can stay on track to be profitable. Come on over to the Telegram group, over 1,600 people just like yourself, looking to make a profitable living using binary options. You can do that too. Come on over. You can get the Ultimate Money Manager for free if you use my referral link to get a pocket option account and put in a small deposit. I'll give you this for free. Come join the team. Come join the community. Come say hi. Before you buy anything, come over and ask questions about it. Okay? Not selling you anything. I just want to give you the tools so that you can be profitable just like others in my group. All right. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.